Hi everyone. Today I want to show you how to make an egg frittata in the microwave using our breakfast maker tool. I'm going to show you some other tools along the way. First thing I want to show you is our Power Chef. The Power Chef is a chopper and a mixer all in one. I'm going to add my onion to the Power Chef because I'm going to chop it up. So all I have to do is put that in, add my lid, and pull on the cord. And you can see in just 3 or 4 pulls my onion is chopped. I'm going to add some tomato. So I'm going to cut this in quarters, add that in, again, chop that up with my onion, and then finally take out the blade, which I do want to point out comes with this great cover. I know in our house people tend to cut themselves a lot, which is not good. So I love having this cover for when I put it away. I'm going to add the paddle blade, which comes with the Power Chef. And then I'm going to add my eggs, 3 eggs to this frittata. And of course you can add anything you like with your eggs. This recipe actually called for some jalapenos, but I don't like things spicy, so I did not decide to add that. I'm going to add a little bit of salt using the 1/8 teaspoon. Add a little bit of salt. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water. And then I'm going to mix this up. This is in here good. And then the paddle, great. The paddle is going to combine all my ingredients. So again, whatever you like to put in your eggs, feel free to throw it in to the Power Chef. It'll mix it all up for you. Now this is our breakfast maker, and this thing is amazing. You can make French toast in it. You can make plain eggs if you don't like stuff in your eggs. But we're gonna put this frittata mix in here. I'm gonna pour it all into, oops, there's my little ring. The breakfast maker, it fits perfectly. I'm going to cover it, and then all I have to do is put this in the microwave for 2 minutes and 15 seconds. In the meantime, I wanted to show you our current version of the measuring spoons, and again, measuring spoons, these are the measuring cups. The thing I like about the measuring spoons is that it comes with a 1/8, which is very common in recipes actually, but it doesn't usually come in a measuring spoon set. And then the measuring cups comes with both the 2/3 and the 3/4, which when you buy a set of measuring cups at the store, typically comes with one or the other, but not both. Now when the frittata is done, I'm going to open it up, show you what it looks like, and I'm going to sprinkle some pepper jack cheese on top. And then I have a special guest here today who's going to come and taste for us this wonderful frittata. Okay, so our frittata is done. I'm going to take it out of the microwave and then have my special guest come on and tell us what he thinks. God, this is done. So this is what my frittata looks like. I'm going to slide it. It's a little hot, but I'm going to slide it right out here onto the plate so you can see. If you like it a little bit drier, then you can leave it in the microwave a little bit longer. But I would like for you to welcome to my show my son Noah, and he's going to come on over here. It's kind of hot, Noah. Be careful. We forgot to put the cheese on.
It smells good.
It does smell really good, right? So this is pepper jack cheese. Again, you could use whatever kind of cheese you prefer. And the other thing is, if you have cheese cooked in with your eggs, you can add the cheese in before you put the breakfast maker into the microwave. So we're going to give Noah a little taste and let this cheese melt. Now remember, it's hot. Here you go. You can take that. It's really hot. Tell us what you think. It's good.
That's good.
Is it good? Do you taste the tomato? Noah doesn't typically like tomato, so I'm curious if he thinks it's too much tomato. No. Good. All right. Would you like to take this with you?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Noah. Thanks, everyone. If you have any questions about making the frittata in our breakfast maker, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope to see you again at a future party and view one of my new demos in the future. Thanks.